Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to print a photo on a Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. And basically, it's a digital camera because you can take pictures digitally, but it's also an instant camera because you can print your photos instantly, which is really, really cool. I'm going to show you how to print out a photo. It's really, really easy to do. So essentially, you're going to turn the camera on by holding the power button down for just a few moments. Once the camera has been turned on, sorry, I have to clear my throat. That's better. Once the camera has been turned on, you're going to go to the photo option. So right now it's on the photo option. I'm going to hit the camera icon to choose the photo option, just like that. And now we're on the photo option. I'm going to turn it to selfie mode by pressing the down arrow, just like that. Okay, it is now in selfie mode, just as you can see right over there. It's facing you all in terms of you all as being the camera that I'm using to film this. And now that it's in selfie mode, okay, yeah, I mean, you don't have, let me rephrase that. You don't have to go into selfie mode. You can do it in forward facing mode, but I'm turning it to selfie mode. So that's optional. The main thing is that you're on the camera screen, but I turned it to selfie mode. You don't have to, but the main thing is that you're on the photo screen. Now the key button here is right down here. This is the printer button. Watch what happens when I press that down. A little icon appeared right there, which shows that the printer is active. So now when I take my picture, it's going to print it out. And like I said, you don't have to be in selfie mode, but I'm going to take my picture using the camera button, just like this. And now that I took the picture, it's going to start printing it out because I had the printer option selected. That's the key there. And as you can see, right there is a beautiful selfie. I always say this in my videos. I'm like quite photogenic. I'm very thankful for that. Like, I think, you know, my photos turn out really well because I'm quite photogenic. It looks awesome. Like when I look at this, it's just look, like literally so photogenic. Perfect. Anyways, I'm going to take my photogenic photo and I'm going to just put it over there. So, wow, I'm so impressed. It's such a cool feature to be able to take a picture and it just prints it out. Like I took a selfie and literally printed it out right now. That's awesome. Anyways, we're moving on. I've been doing a lot of tutorials with this camera, so there's like a whole bunch of selfie printed photos on the floor of my van there. Anyways, that's basically it. That's how to print a photo using this camera. Really, really easy to do. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.